In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to set a featured post in Wix. To accomplish this, you first have to be logged into your account. Specifically, you need to be on the admin dashboard section of your Wix site, as this is where all the magic happens when it comes to setting up and navigating through unique features. Once you're on the admin dashboard, you will find an array of options in the left side menu. Here, you need to make your way to the option labeled Blog. It's important for you to click on this since it houses all the blog-related features and functionalities, one of which includes the ability to set a featured post. After clicking on the Blog button, the next natural step is to select Posts. Keep in mind that this action lets you review existing posts, or even create a new one to designate as your featured presentation. Now, once you're in the Posts segment, it's time to choose a particular post to feature or create a new one. By clicking Create a New Post, you can draft an entirely new unique article right that very moment. Or, alternatively, if you already have a suitable existing post in mind, you can open that instead. Up next, you need to look at the Post Editor section. Here, you will find a cornucopia of settings on the left-hand menu, and you're particularly interested in the one labeled Settings. You need to make sure to click on this to access the advanced and specific options for each post, including the significant Feature This Post function. The Feature This Post function is presented as a simple toggle labeled as such in the settings. The goal here is to trace the wording until you discover this very important toggle. Once you've successfully located it, your job is as simple as clicking the switch. The moment you toggle this switch is a decisive turn in achieving your objective. You have now activated the featured status for this particular post, essentially amplifying its prominence on your blog site. But remember, it's not enough to stop here. Make sure you verify this switch is turned on, as this is the all-important key to setting your preferred post as the star of your blog's homepage or featured section. And there you have it. By following these simple but powerful steps, you've successfully learned the mechanisms of setting a featured post in Wix. This tutorial guides you through a straightforward and efficient process, helping you highlight your star posts and convey your most compelling content directly to your readers. Thank you for paying attention, and stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.